Learn English to Gujarati Statistics Vocabulary, Ambivalence 2.
વિવિધતા.
Welcome to the data circus. Hey, you're about to learn some very smart words without sounding like a robot in a lab coat. We will keep it fun, clear, and a little ridiculous so the Gujarati sticks. Welcome to today's chapter, where charts have feelings, graphs cause drama, and one confused chicken may accidentally teach statistics. Your mission is simple: learn 8 advanced English words and match them with Gujarati. Here they are. Ambivalence is.
દ્વિધા.
Complexity is.
જટિલતા.
Interdependence is.
પરસ્પર નિર્ભરતા.
Causality is.
કારણભૂતતા.
Correlation is.
સહસંબંધ.
Confounding is.
કોન્ફુન્ડિયરુંગ.
Bias is.
પૂર્વગ્રહ.
Variance is.
વિવિધતા.
Yes, this is advanced vocabulary. No, you do not need a PhD. You just need ears, curiosity, and maybe a snack. The fork in the road. Let's start with a word for mixed feelings, because your brain may already feel that about statistics. That feeling has a name. Ambivalence in Gujarati is.
દ્વિધા.
It means mixed feelings, being pulled in two directions. Imagine a donkey standing between two identical piles of hay, unable to choose. That poor donkey is full of.
દ્વિધા.
Say it with me.
દ્વિધા.
Again.
દ્વિધા.
Example. She felt ambivalence about moving to another city. In Gujarati, Tane bija saharamam java vice.
દ્વિધા.
Anubhavai. Mini dialogue. A. Are you excited or worried? B. Both. I feel.
દ્વિધા.
Memory trick. Think of two paths, two moods, two voices in your head arguing about lunch. That is.
દ્વિધા.
When simple things become suspiciously complicated. Now let's enter the glorious maze of complexity. If a sandwich has 14 layers, this section is for you. Complexity in Gujarati is.
જટિલતા.
This word means many connected parts, layers, or details. Not just hard, but richly tangled. Picture a machine that looks tiny on the outside, but inside it has gears, springs, blinking lights, and one button labeled Do Not Press. That is.
જટિલતા.
Example. We discussed the complexity of the problem. In Gujarati, aim samasyani.
જટિલતા.
Vice karka carry. Funny image. A chef creates a sandwich so layered that even the sandwich needs a user manual. That sandwich has.
જટિલતા.
Repeat it.
જટિલતા.
One more time.
જટિલતા.
Nobody does breakfast alone. Time for a beautiful big word about how things depend on each other. Even your toast has a team behind it. Interdependence in Gujarati is.
પરસ્પર નિર્ભરતા.
This means mutual dependence, not just one side depending on another, but both sides needing each other. Think of farmers, rain, markets, transport, and your breakfast plate. Suddenly your toast feels very philosophical. Example. Modern trade is built on global interdependence. In Gujarati, Adunika Vapara Vaisvika.
પરસ્પર નિર્ભરતા.
Para Adarita Che. Funny version. Two shoes argue about who is more important until they realize walking requires both. That is.
પરસ્પર નિર્ભરતા.
Repeat it slowly.
પરસ્પર નિર્ભરતા.
Dominoes, detectives, and cause. Here comes a serious word with dramatic energy. If one thing causes another, this is your word. Causality in Gujarati is.
કારણભૂતતા.
It is the relationship of cause and effect. Imagine a row of dominoes. One falls, then the next, then the next. That chain is.
કારણભૂતતા.
Example. Causality helps us understand why events happen. In Gujarati.
કારણભૂતતા.
Apanain samajavamam madada care che ke gadanau sa mate bain che. Comedy warning. If a rooster crows before sunrise, that does not mean the rooster caused the sun. Nice try, rooster. Real.
કારણભૂતતા.
Needs better logic. Say it.
કારણભૂતતા.
Again.
કારણભૂતતા.
Moving together is not marriage. Now for correlation, the word that loves patterns but does not promise true love. Two things can move together without one causing the other. Correlation in Gujarati is
सहसंबंध.
It means two things vary together or show a statistical relationship. Imagine two dancers moving in step. That is
सहसंबंध.
example. There is a strong correlation between practice and progress. In Gujarati, abhyasa and pragati vaksi majabuta.
सहसंबंध.
Che. Important reminder.
सहसंबंध.
Does not always mean.
कारणभूतता.
If ice cream sales and sunglasses sales rise together, summer may be the reason. The ice cream is innocent. Repeat.
सहसंबंध.
And again.
सहसंबंध.
The plot twist nobody invited. Let's talk about confounding, the troublemaker of research. This is the word that walks in and says, surprise, your result may be messy. Confounding in Gujarati here is given as
Confundirung.
It refers to something confusing or a factor that muddles understanding. Think of it as the unexpected goat wandering into your science experiment and eating the labels. Example. His explanation was so confounding that I asked again. In Gujarati, Teni samajavani atali.
Confundirung.
Hadi ke mem fari puchiam. Mini dialogue. A. Why do you look lost? B. This question is.
Confundirung.
Say it slowly.
Confundirung.
Yes, it sounds like a word that itself arrived confused. Crooked glasses and unfair judgments. Now we meet a word that matters in science, media, and everyday life. It is bias, and it can quietly tilt everything. Bias in Gujarati is
Purvagrah.
This means prejudice or unfair leaning before all the facts are considered. Imagine a scale tilted to one side before anyone puts weight on it. That is
Purvagrah.
Example. Bias can affect fair decisions. In Gujarati,
Purvagrah.
Nyayi nirnayawan asara kari sake che. Funny image. Magical glasses labeled.
Purvagrah.
Make every cat look like employee of the month. Repeat after me.
Purvagrah.
One more time.
Purvagrah.
Why the numbers refuse to behave. Our last main word is variance. It is what happens when data points refuse to stand in one neat little line like polite schoolchildren. Variance in Gujarati is
Vividta.
It means spread, variation, or how much values differ. Imagine cookies on a tray. Some are tiny, some are giant, and one looks like a map of Gujarat. That tray has statistical
Vividta.
example. There is a lot of variance in the test results. In Gujarati, Pariksana parinamamam gani.
Vividta.
Che. Small.
Vividta.
Means values are close together. Big.
Vividta.
Means they are more spread out. Say it.
Vividta.
Again.
Vividta.
Speed drill. You are doing great. Now let's do a quick fire round and make your memory sweat just a little. Ambivalence.
Dvitha.
Complexity.
जटिलता.
Interdependence.
परस्पर निर्भरता.
Causality.
कारणभूतता.
Correlation.
सहसंबंध.
Confounding.
Confundirung.
Bias.
पूर्वग्रह.
Variance.
विविधता.
Tiny quiz, big brain energy. Last challenge. Answer in your head, out loud, or dramatically to your ceiling fan. What is the Gujarati word for ambivalence?
द्विधा.
What word means complexity?
जटिलता.
Which Gujarati term means interdependence?
परस्पर निर्भरता.
What is causality?
कारणभूतता.
Which word means correlation?
सहसंबंध.
Which word means confounding?
Confundirung.
What is the Gujarati word for bias?
पूर्वग्रह.
And finally, what means variance?
विविधता.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You just learned a set of abstract words that many people avoid until a textbook chases them down a hallway. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these words aloud.
द्विधा. जटिलता. परस्पर निर्भरता. કારણભૂતતા સહસંબંધ કોન્ફુન્ડિયરુંગ પૂર્વગ્રહ
and.
વિવિધતા.
Repeat them tomorrow, use them in tiny sentences, and let your memory build step by step. You are making real progress in Gujarati, so keep going and enjoy the practice.